Okay, device collection video, but first off, here's this Kindle Fire that actually does work, which is crazy because I thought it was dead. This is my family's old Kindle, so yeah. With device collection videos, we're going to go over all the devices. Oh my goodness, it has my old wallpaper. I didn't even realize that. Huh, I must have used it somewhat recently. So yeah, moving on, we got my iPad 7th gen. I got this from a friend of mine who didn't want it anymore because they were upgrading to like a 10th gen, which is not that newer, but whatever. Why is my phone being weird with the freaking zoom? Okay. Yeah, they upgraded. The charging port's a little wonky, but whatever. It works. It runs 18.6 beta, and beta updates are now off, sadly, but whatever. Next, we got this Alcatel One Touch Pop 7. This is just a generic old AF tablet. Why does my watch keep buzzing? Oh, fire call. Two of these Nook tablets. These are kind of boring, but I did take one apart to try to charge one, but it didn't work because I was probably using the data lines on accident. Here, I got this Pantech Renew. Does work. Let that boot. BlackBerry World Edition. This does not work. It has no battery. And, well, it does work. It just has no battery. Works somewhat. BlackBerry Classic works. All the Blackberries work. All these Blackberries work. Except for the World Edition. And this guy has no SIM card in it. Okay. Should power that off. My iPod. Fake iPod. It's an Uptech. I use it for music sometimes. Other times I use it for... other times I use my phone for music, but... yeah. You may be wondering what the hell happened to this iPhone XR. This was not my fault. This was my friend's sister's fault. Because this was her phone. And yeah, I need to get iCloud unlocked from my friend's sister, so... yeah, this is going to go in the pile of needs to be fixed. I'm going to literally put it back in the bin after I'm done with this video, but whatever. iPhone 6 Plus. Yeah. My dad's old phone. iPad 2nd gen. Dumpster find. Most of these tablets were dumpster finds, so... iPhone 4. Thrift store find. I made it transparent, by the way. Rate it 1 out of 10. The transparent iPhone. Rate this 1 out of 10 in the comments, please. I want to see how good I did, because this kind of looks like shit, in my opinion. Because, well, ignore the tape, because it's keeping the glass on the back, because the battery is starting to swell. Which is not fun. But yeah. Rate it 1 out of 10. iPod Touch 1st gen does work. Does not like to work sometimes. iPod Touch 4th gen works. iPod Classic. Samsung flip phone. I just dropped it. Mio Slice thing that I found in the trash. It doesn't even work. Whatever. How are you still on? It's like, didn't go to sleep or something. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty much all my devices. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Please hit the like button and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace.